Our future depends on the health of our ecosystems. For farmers, fertile land means food. For fishermen, healthy oceans mean livelihood. For children, nature means hope. Deforestation, overfishing, and climate change threaten biodiversity and community security. Restoring forests and protecting nature revive landscapes, renew hope, and support livelihoods through eco-products, tourism, and green jobs. When we conserve nature, we empower people, fostering resilience, opportunity, and dignity for generations. Today, across 24 countries, millions of lives are transformed through conservation. Our geospatial innovation connects communities to sustainable opportunities and resilient futures. When ecosystems thrive, communities thrive. This is how conservation empowers communities.